7 travel gadgets that actually make packing faster and less stressful. I tested 7 compact travel tools to see what really works. Here's what saves time, space, and your sanity. First up, compression packing cubes. We all know regular packing cubes are great for organization, but these take it a step further. You simply fill a cube with your clothes, zip it up, and then use the second compression zipper to squeeze all the air out. Look at this before and after. I managed to free up what is essentially one entire slot in my suitcase. It's a game changer for fitting more into a smaller bag, or just keeping things from turning into a chaotic mess when you arrive. A quick tip: be careful not to overcompress delicate fabrics like silk or linen, as it can cause deep wrinkles. But for everything else, it's brilliant. Next, we have refillable travel toiletry bottles. Let's be honest, we've all had that moment of dread when a full-size shampoo bottle gets flagged at airport security. These little guys solve that. They're TSA friendly, and the good ones are made from flexible, leak-proof silicone. You just squeeze your favorite products in, label them, and you're good to go. I even did a squeeze test, and not a single drop escaped. My advice is to always look for silicone bottles with wide mouths for easy filling, and always double check that the seals are tight before you pack them. No more spills, no more airport drama. Gadget number 3 is the compact digital luggage scale. This tiny tool can save you a ton of money. Nothing is worse than getting to the check-in counter and finding out your bag is overweight. The fees can be outrageous. With this, you just hook it to your suitcase handle, lift, and get an instant accurate weight reading. If you're over the limit, you can repack right there at home instead of frantically shuffling items around at the airport. It is so small you can even pack it with you to weigh your bags for the return trip after you've bought all those souvenirs. Always weigh before you leave home. Are you tired of digging through a rat's nest of tangled wires every time you travel? Gadget number 4 is the cable organizer roll. This simple but effective tool keeps all your chargers, cables, and adapters neatly separated and rolled up. You just tuck each cable into its own elastic loop, roll it up, and snap it closed. It takes up almost no space and can be tossed into your carry-on or backpack. When you get to your destination, you just unroll it and everything is right there. No more tangled mess. For an extra pro move, use small labels or colored tape on each cable so you know exactly which one you're grabbing. Let's talk security with gadget number 5, the RFID blocking travel wallet. In an age of tap to pay, protecting your credit card information is more important than ever. Thieves can use scanners to steal your data without even touching your wallet. An RFID blocking wallet creates a protective shield around your cards. This one is super slim, so it fits comfortably in your pocket without creating a bulky outline. And it holds all your essential cards and some cash. One tip I've found useful is to keep my passport in a separate, easily accessible pocket for when I'm going through security or customs. For those long flights or bus rides, comfort is key. Gadget number 6 is an inflatable neck pillow. Traditional memory foam pillows are comfortable, but they are so bulky to carry around. This one inflates in just a few breaths, gives you great neck support, and then deflates to fit into a tiny pouch that's smaller than your fist. It's perfect for minimalist travelers who don't want to sacrifice comfort. Just remember to test the inflation level to find what is most comfortable for your neck. You don't want it too hard or too soft. And finally, gadget number 7 is the multi-purpose quick-dry travel towel. A standard cotton towel is heavy, bulky, and takes forever to dry, which is a recipe for a smelly backpack. A microfiber travel towel, on the other hand, is ultra lightweight, super absorbent, and dries in a fraction of the time. Many are also antimicrobial, which helps prevent odors. You can use it after a shower, at the beach, at the gym, or even to wipe up spills. It folds down into a tiny square. A good habit is to rinse it out and hang it to air dry between uses to keep it fresh. So let's do a rapid recap. We have the compression packing cubes for saving space, the refillable toiletry bottles to avoid spills, the digital luggage scale to dodge fees to cable, organizer for no more tangles, the RFID wallet for security, the inflatable neck pillow for comfort, and the quick-dry towel for everything else. After testing all 7, my top pick has to be the compression packing cubes. They offer the biggest and most immediate benefit for almost every type of traveler. Now, what about the cost? The great news is that most of these gadgets are very affordable, usually in the low to mid-price range, and they provide a massive payoff in convenience and peace of mind. You don't need to buy them all at once. My advice is to start with the one that solves your biggest packing headache. If you always overpack, get the cubes. If you hate tangled wires, get the cable roll. Here are a few practical tips to get the most out of these tools. Label your packing cubes by clothing type like shirts or pants, so you can find things without unpacking everything. Always weigh your luggage at home before you leave. And maybe just test one gadget on a short trip before you decide to invest in a full set. Real users love the convenience these gadgets bring. But it's important to remember that they are tools to help your routine, not replace it. Gadgets are fantastic for speeding up tasks and keeping you organized, but they won't do the planning for you. A smart packing list combined with the right gadgets is the ultimate winning formula. So, the final verdict. If you're going to buy just one thing from this list, start with the compression packing cubes. They provide the biggest space-saving win and will fundamentally change how you pack. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these gadgets do you already use? And which one do you think is a must-have? Or, what other travel gadget should I test next? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips.